Imagine, if you will, a world devoid of human life. What would have happened to Earth if there were no humans? Picture a realm where the hustle and bustle of cities have been replaced with an eerie silence. Buildings that once teemed with life now stand as abandoned relics, monuments to an extinct species. Yet this quiet is not a sign of death, but of rebirth. As human activity ceases, Earth begins to heal. Without the constant emissions from factories, cars, and power plants, the air becomes cleaner, and the smoggy veil lifts to reveal clear blue skies. Rivers, once tainted with industrial waste, slowly return to their pristine states, nurturing life instead of endangering it. In the concrete jungles, something extraordinary happens. Nature, once pushed to the fringes, starts to creep back in. Green tendrils break through the gray as wildlife returns and the urban turns into the rural. In the absence of human interference, Earth begins to reclaim its space, with nature flourishing in previously urbanized areas. Opening. As time progresses, the Earth continues to recover and evolve without human influence. In the absence of human activity, the urban jungles we've created start to crumble and fade. Concrete and steel structures, once symbols of human progress, surrender to the elements. Vines creep over buildings, roads fracture under the patient push of tree roots, and wildlife begins to reclaim the spaces we've vacated. This isn't the apocalypse, however, it's the Earth's recovery. Without the ceaseless human demand for resources, forests return in full force. Land once stripped bare by deforestation springs back to life, becoming a verdant, teeming expanse of green. From the tropics to the taiga, the world's lungs expand, breathing life back into the planet. Simultaneously, animal populations recover and thrive. Species that were once on the brink of extinction flourish once more. The majestic tiger prowls freely through the expanding forests of Asia, the American bison thunders across the Great Plains unimpeded, and the blue whale, the largest creature to have ever lived, has the run of the oceans. It's not simply a matter of numbers, however. With the resurgence of these species comes a rebalancing of ecosystems. Apex predators keep herbivore populations in check, preventing overgrazing and promoting a diverse array of plant life. The intricate web of life is restored, exhibiting a harmony that had been disrupted by human intervention. Yet it's not all rosy. Domesticated animals, those species shaped by humans for our needs, struggle to adapt to this new world. Some, like dogs and cats, might revert to their wild forms, while others, like cattle and sheep, might simply fade away without human protection. Likewise, the return of apex predators to their rightful places at the top of the food chain brings with it a certain degree of danger. Without humans to keep them in check, wolves, bears, and big cats roam freely, shaping the landscape as they go. Closing. With no humans to disrupt the balance, Earth experiences a renaissance of biodiversity and ecological harmony. A world without us is a world reborn, a testament to the enduring power of nature to heal and restore. This is the Earth, reclaiming its throne. As centuries pass, the vestiges of human civilization are slowly erased. Picture this. Cities once teeming with life now lie abandoned. Skyscrapers crumble, bridges collapse, and all our grand creations succumb to the relentless march of time. But it's not just the edifices we built. The artifacts of our existence, from the simplest tools to the most complex machines, also degrade. Metals rust, plastics break down, and even our most enduring creations eventually fade away. Now imagine the geological changes. Without human intervention, nature begins to reclaim the landscapes scarred by mining. Mountains regain their majesty, valleys blossom with life, and rivers flow freely, uninhibited by dams or diversions. The Earth's crust, no longer punctured for resources, slowly heals itself. In the absence of human interference, the natural world flourishes. Forests regrow, animals thrive, and the planet's biodiversity rebounds. Over the long term, the Earth would heal its wounds, erasing almost all traces of human existence. So, what does this hypothetical journey tell us? It paints a vivid picture of Earth's resilience, of its ability to heal and regenerate when left to its own devices. It highlights the undeniable fact that our planet is a dynamic, self-sustaining system that thrives in our absence. But this isn't a call for humanity's exit. Rather, it's an invitation to reflect on our relationship with the environment. As we've seen, human activity has left indelible scars on the planet. But it's not a one-sided relationship. The Earth nourishes us, provides resources, and supports our survival. It's a delicate balance that we've disrupted time and again. So let's take this imaginary world as an inspiration to cultivate sustainable practices, to respect the natural world, and to strive for a harmonious coexistence. Because ultimately, the Earth doesn't need us to survive. We need it. Even though this is a hypothetical scenario, it serves as a stark reminder of our responsibility towards our planet. Subscribe to our Universal Universe channel for daily cosmic adventures.